Welcome back to our channel. Get ready for an awe-inspiring display of the most powerful forestry machines on Earth. These extraordinary titans are revolutionizing the industry in ways that will truly astonish you. Let's dive right in. Disc Trencher is a powerhouse in land preparation, designed to tackle tough terrain with precision. Its robust discs effortlessly cut through the soil, preparing the ground for forestry and agricultural projects. Whether it's clearing out debris or digging deep, this machine is built for efficiency and speed, making challenging tasks seem easy. With its sheer power and rugged design, the Ponce Elephant effortlessly conquers large, muddy patches that would challenge most machines. The heavy-duty tires grip the slippery surface, while the vehicle's superior torque propels it through the deep mud without hesitation. It's a true demonstration of the machine's strength and the driver's control over treacherous terrain. Mounted on the powerful Doosan 140 LC, the Kesla 24 RH3 harvester head makes quick work of heavy logging tasks. This combo slices through timber with precision, using hydraulic power to grip and cut large trees efficiently. The harvester's agility and the machine's strength showcase a flawless synergy, perfect for demanding forestry operations. The overloaded Mack. R600 faces a tough challenge as it struggles to ascend a slippery slope, its wheels spinning against the muddy terrain. Despite its raw power, the weight of the load proves too much for the truck alone. Thankfully, the D5 tractor comes to the rescue, pulling the massive truck up the incline with steady, controlled force. As the Mack R600 pushes forward on a steep, uneven road, the sheer weight of its oversized load becomes a serious obstacle. The tires slip and dig into the soft ground, making progress nearly impossible. With the D5 tractor lending its strength, the two machines work in tandem, overcoming the slope and ensuring the heavy cargo keeps moving uphill. the Tiger Cat 635D is on full display as it effortlessly drags massive logs through rugged terrain. Its robust engine and superior traction handle the heavy load with ease, making the task look almost effortless. Every pull showcases the unmatched strength and efficiency of this forestry beast. The Ponce mammoth finds itself deeply stuck in a thick mud pit, the weight of the machine making it nearly impossible to move. In a race against time, a powerful tractor is called in for the rescue, pulling with all its might to free the massive vehicle. The intense teamwork between man and machine highlights the sheer difficulty of navigating such challenging terrain. The Jarcrack Evopro maneuvers through rugged terrain with precision, showcasing its versatility in forestry work. This all-terrain machine effortlessly handles the rough landscape, making it an invaluable asset for logging and land clearing operations. Its agility and power set it apart, proving that even the toughest environments are no match for its capabilities. The Woodcracker C5610 is a powerhouse attachment, effortlessly tackling massive tree trunks with precision and force. Its robust hydraulic system makes quick work of even the toughest wood, demonstrating efficiency in both felling and processing. This machine's performance is a game changer for forestry, bringing speed and control to even the most challenging environments. Amidst the rugged terrain, the tractor TT4 Skidder powers through, pulling a 40-ton loaded logging truck with unwavering strength. Its sheer force and traction make it a vital asset in overcoming the heavy load and tough conditions. The synergy between the Skidder and the truck showcases both machines' capabilities in handling extreme forestry challenges.
поставили. Давай, родимый. Пошла.
Navigating the narrow turns and steep inclines, the skilled driver expertly maneuvers the overloaded logging truck, demonstrating impressive control and precision. With each twist and ascent, the vehicle's immense weight poses a significant challenge. Yet, the driver remains undeterred, showcasing years of experience behind the wheel. This remarkable feat of handling not only highlights the truck's powerful capabilities, but also the driver's unwavering confidence in tackling the most demanding forestry routes.